Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw charging cable inspection steps with ClipperCreek guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary tools for the inspection. Locate the charging cable you wish to inspect. Disconnect the cable from the charger and the electric vehicle. Inspect the exterior of the cable for any visible damage. Check for fraying or cuts along the length of the cable. Examine the connectors at both ends for any signs of wear. Ensure the connector pins are straight and undamaged. Look for any corrosion or debris in the connector ports. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the cable. Set your multimeter to the appropriate setting for testing continuity. Touch one probe to one end of the cable and the other probe to the other end. Observe the reading on the multimeter to ensure there is no break. If the reading shows no continuity, replace the cable. Check the insulation for any cracks or deterioration. If the insulation is compromised, it may need to be replaced. Reattach the connectors and secure them properly. Store the inspected cable in a dry and safe location. Document any findings for future reference or maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.